Would you like to know how using nothing but the simple standard indicators that everyone has on their trading platform and a startup account with just $1,000 in it, I was able to generate over $5,600 in profits in just 58 days? Well, last year I gave myself a challenge. I decided to test something. I was launching a new strategy and I wanted to see if using just the standard stock indicators and my new methodology would give me more successful winning trades. The results were staggering. In just 58 days, I turned a small account of $1,000 into $5,645. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how I did it. Because my guess is you're sick of being told how awesome trading options is. And then when you open an account and start trading, you either lose money or it just confuses the crap out of you and you're left frustrated. And the truth is, most options trading experts aren't even teaching you the right strategies. They're depending on you already having a ton of experience or plenty of cash to burn so you keep trading. But most of us don't have that luxury. We need a new way to trade options with consistency so that with successful trade after successful trade, our account will not only grow, but we can wire out money each week without having to add funds to cover our losses. That's the main objective, isn't it? But the good news for you is I've discovered a new way to take advantage of the markets that lets anyone, regardless of experience, generate results like this without knowing all there is to know about options, without taking ridiculous risks or putting on high-risk trades, without having to worry about crazy swings up and down in the markets, and without having to watch your computer screens all day. Hi, my name is Michael Love, and I'm not a former hedge fund manager or VP at Goldman. I'm actually an authored chef with a best-selling cookbook. I've been on Fox, CBS, NBC, ABC. I was featured in Ocean Drive magazine, and I've cooked for some of the hottest celebrities in Miami. And I've also been trading for 15 years. I've been an above-average trader, an average trader, and a below-average trader. I used to trade with tons of indicators all over my charts, search and scan for patterns and triangles and flags and all those popular methods you always hear about with mixed results. I'd have a good trade, then a bad trade, then a good trade, then a not so good trade. I think you get the point. Pretty frustrating. Here you can see a typical trade that I would take. This is Match.com. Perfect chart, trending upwards, higher highs, higher lows, a slight pullback in the stock, and I got in. You can see the green arrow where the stock gapped up, and I was a happy camper. My trade was up 80% at that point, until the next morning. It plunged 22%. I was wiped out on the trade. Here's Netflix, another perfect setup. Great earnings report. Got into the trade, it gapped down, wiped me out. I spent a fortune on books, courses, seminars, trading services. I had all the right indicators, scanned for the strongest stocks, upward trend, perfect setups, but I was still getting killed. What was I missing? Well, I knew somebody who had the answer. I called a relative of mine who's a professional options trader. We talked now and again about strategies, indicators, market stuff, but he always kept his trading methodology close to the vest. So finally I called him and asked him if he would share with me what apparently I was either missing or the markets and experts were purposely hiding from me and every retail trader. What special indicators and lists and strategies was he using? Turns out he used a set of standard indicators and specific price charts that you could pull up on any trading platform to create what he called a market forecast for the next day, a market weather report. And then using one simple strategy and setup would have winner after winner with very low stress, low risk, and tons of consistency. And this was what I was after. After spending a few days learning this trading workflow, he suggested I go back and look at all my successful trades over the past year and then run this market weather analysis on the day before I took the trade. What I found out made my head spin. Turns out over 85% of all my winning trades were in sync with this report, and all my losing trades were not in alignment with the report. So I thought, what if I go all in? What if I dump all my indicators and crazy strategies and setups, try just trading the market weather and this one simple setup? What if I ran this market weather report analysis in the morning before I trade, instead of scanning for stocks, instead of listening to the news? And that's exactly what I did. I ran this market weather report every morning. After a few days, it took me only 2 minutes to do. Then I ran the next weather report on the market sectors, which took me all of about 30 seconds, which led me to his personal stock lists within those winning sectors. So you can see I started with exactly $997 in a small account. This was my challenge. Could I turn $1,000 into $2,000 or $3,000 in 2 months? Well, my first trade was ZTS. In less than a week, I made $400 on that trade. The next few trades in a row were on the S&P 500. I pulled in $376, $228, and then $218. The next 6 consecutive trades netted me 77%, 100%, 82%, 83%, 309%, and 68%. This was what I was missing. And that's not all. Over the next few weeks, I had raked in over $5,600. My account was up 566%. In just 58 days, my small account challenge that I started with just $997 ended with $5,645. Because of the success of this challenge, this new methodology, my friends and family started asking, how did I do it? Finally led me to put everything down on paper. All the steps I took, all the methods and strategies I used. The result of that effort is a brand new program that I call the Trade With Me Now Market Weather Masterclass. Inside this masterclass, I show exactly why this technology is so powerful and that you can never again take a trade without knowing the market weather. It's like making plans to go to the beach for the weekend and then not checking the weather before you go. You'd never do that, right? So why take a trade without knowing the overall market weather? You're going to see how I analyzed the overall market direction and what sector the money was flowing into, how I chose the best stocks in the strongest sectors and narrowed them down to just a few juicy choices, the 3 indicators that showed the hidden setups that creates a winning trade with over 85% certainty by showing which stocks in those sectors are ready to explode, and the 8-step trading workflow that led to a $5,645 payoff. With this information in your hands, imagine being able to finally understand how options really work. Imagine having a market weather report that will provide an 85% certainty in trading direction. Imagine building a small account by finally having consistent, successful trades using one simple set of indicators. And imagine wiring out profits from your trading account to your checking account every week. And that's exactly what I'll show you how to do inside my Trade With Me Now Market Weather Masterclass. And the good news for you today, it's ready for release. So let me tell you everything you're going to get inside of the new Trade With Me Now Market Weather Masterclass program. Number 1 is the core of this program, the Market Weather Report Masterclass video modules. This is where you're going to learn everything there is to know about the overall market weather, the sector market weather, how to set up your charts for it, everything. You're also going to get my basic options video library. Not everybody knows everything about options, so for beginners, this is awesome. Over 5 hours, including 16 videos of information on things like what's the difference between stock and an option, how do you buy and sell an options contract, how to read a chart, what the moving averages are, what Fibonacci extensions are, and how to read them. It's totally complete. Next, you're going to see how I used one simple set of standard indicators to consistently deliver winner after winner in every type of market. I'm going to show you my 6-star setup that helped me rake in over $5,600 and consistently delivers winning trades for me and my members. Probably the most important module is the 8-step trading workflow. I'm going to finally let you in on how professionals use this methodology to quickly and efficiently trade the markets. You'll get my sector money flow system that tells you within 30 seconds where to look for stocks that are about to explode, plus a whole lot more. You see, with Trade With Me Now Market Weather Masterclass, you can finally learn how to trade options like a pro, even if you're starting with 0 experience. With my trade alerts that come with precise trading instructions, you can earn while you learn to become a rockstar trader in your own right. And you will build your account with successful trades while simultaneously taking profits and wiring them into your checking account. This masterclass alone is a $997 value. Plus, when you purchase the Trade With Me Now Market Weather Masterclass, I'm going to throw in the following trading courses completely free. And the first one is a brand new training called the Trade Tracker course. You see, inside of this training, you're going to see what most amateurs don't do and is typically overlooked. but not by the pros. I'm going to show you how to track your trades efficiently and professionally, 25 trades at a time. This customized and personalized trading sheet will do all the calculations for you, show you your good trades, your bad trades, your profit calculations, and serve as the basis for your personal trading plan, which is crucial to your success. Now, if we add that to the Trade With Me Now Market Weather Masterclass, you're also going to get the Trade Tracker course, a total of $1,146. But I'm also going to throw in the custom trading plan for pros. In this training, I'm going to show you how to create your personal trading plan. Even the top quarterbacks in professional football have a playbook and a game plan for each Sunday. At halftime, they make adjustments. No team and no player is without a game plan, and no professional trader is without a personal trading plan. This course goes hand in hand with the Trade Tracker so that trades that you take stay in alignment with your plan. Then you make halftime adjustments as your plan evolves. This is literally the one secret I use that kept me out of bad trades when my emotions were out of check and got me to stick with the winning trades when before I would have bailed before they made me any money. It's priceless. So now you're going to get the Market Weather Masterclass, the Trade Tracker course, and the Trading Plan for Pros, a total value of $1,295. You're also going to get my Advanced Options course. Here's where you take things to a new level. After completing the Basic Options video library, the Market Weather Masterclass, and you're starting to take trades, you will now learn the low-risk, high-probability strategies that give our members an edge. These videos alone can make you $10,000 over the next 90 days. So now you're going to get the Masterclass, the Trade Tracker, the Trading Plan for Pros, and the Advanced Options video library for a total value of $1,694. And finally, I'm going to add my 3-2-1 liftoff indicator. I've taken the 3 simple indicators that generate explosive moves with over 85% certainty and created one easy-to-read, color-coded indicator. It works on the most popular platforms, and I'm adding it to this package absolutely free. So to sum up everything you're going to get, number 1, the Trade With Me Now Market Weather Report Masterclass, the Trade Tracker course, the Trading Plan for Pros course, the Advanced Video Library, and my 3-2-1 Liftoff Indicator package that includes videos on how to maximize its potential, a total value of $2,393. And I'm going to add our Trade Alert service for 30 days at no cost. Like I said, you'll get a text alert every time I place a trade. You'll get the exact trade, the entry price, the target, and another alert when I exit the trade, along with my market commentary, all in real time. That's for 30 days included in the package. But I'm not going to ask you to pay $2,393. What that means for you is I'm going to slash the price all the way down to just 2 payments of $47. So to get access to all these trainings and start receiving my trade alerts for just 2 payments of $47, just scroll down below and fill out the form. And like everything else I offer, you're backed by my 100% 30-day money-back guarantee, which means if this course doesn't deliver on what I promise, it just doesn't meet your expectation for any reason, just let me and my team know and we'll refund your entire investment. To get instant access to this course right now, just fill out that form right down below and you'll receive an email with a login and password to your members area. Before you fill that out, I want you to remember what having this information is going to give you. Number 1, you're going to learn about options the right way, not all the fluff, not the confusing math. You will learn what you need to know in order to feel comfortable placing a trade, closing a trade, as well as a step-by-step program that will teach you all our concepts, methods, and the strategies that put $5,600 in my pocket in 58 days. You'll be able to trade with confidence, not being nervous about when to get out of a trade, but totally confident on how much to trade, when to get in, when to get out, how to track it, plan for it, and confident in your ability to be an options trader. You'll finally be able to string together a series of successful trades. And if you've been trading for a while, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You'll be able to achieve a consistency that eludes most people when trying to make money in the markets. And finally, the huge payoff of wiring out of your account each week instead of in. Just scroll down below this video, Fill out the form and you will instantly have access to all the trainings in the members area. And I'll see you on the inside.